This thing is a real piece of work right here. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, one more. Alright, another one. Alright. Should we give her another look down? Sexy. Excuse me. Oh man, this thing's good looking, isn't it? Look at that thing. Stealth bliggity black. Yep, big fan. Big fan. You get some more tools and we'll make it look like a bike even though I won't fully set it up. This is just simply snugging things up to make it look like a bike. And that screw's a little tight. Let's hope it's not stripped or anything funky. I think I told you already, but this is their first run at like a production bike. So it got postponed a few times, but the guys I dealt with there were all pretty legit. They email you, tell you what's going on with the order. They had their production manager guy or something in friggin' like Thailand or wherever the hell this thing's made. So that's tight, you know. One of these days I'll afford one of their actual custom bikes. I was looking at one, I had it all fabbed up, it was forest green, I had some bamboo wood fenders on it, titanium frame. I have no clue if this thing's even in frame, speaking of frames. Try that. Alright. Oopsie daisies. Sometimes you need 12 hands to do this type of stuff. But I'm gonna try to do it with just my normal 2 hands. Come on, you daggone thing. There we go. As you can tell, I'm pretty graceful with all my tools and my ability to build bicycles. That's probably why I didn't make it a lifelong career of doing this. I don't know, maybe I should edit all these tool drops out of here so I look like I know what I'm doing. Yeah, that would suck. I'd rather you guys know I have no clue what I'm doing. Oh, look at that though, huh? Huh? Almost looks like a bike. One more. One more. Oh yeah, look at that. Can't decide if I want to put this stem with an upward angle or a downward. Negative or positive, but for now, I'm going to leave it the way it is. Alright, let's go back to this. This is Boxo Goodies. I'm guessing this has got maybe pedals, probably the skewer for the front end, hopefully $1 million. Ooh, I wonder if I get a sticker. Reflector, that'll go in the trash. Carbon fiber assembly. Alright, so we got these. Safety first, boys and girls. Pedals. Probably going to put some sweet platforms, but these will cut it for the time being. Or at least, I think they're composite or something. Through axle. Dope. Holy friggin' moly! I got a badass Budnitz tool set. Alright. Dudes, look at this thing. OMG, I could put this whole thing together with its own friggin' tool set? Holy bananas. Tire lever there. This thing has a little tiny ratcheting jobber do with a little thingy-majigger on it. Wow. These guys took it to the next level. Clips in. Look at this. Sockets. Screwdrivers. Oh my gosh. That is friggin' dope. Thanks, Budnitz. And then Gates Carbon Drive Instruction Manual. Fancy. Hose it down. Sunshine. Don't lube it. I'm down. Danger. Don't get your fingers caught in it. Alright. Look at, even their manual. Oh look, it has even unpackaging instructions. Holy cow. That's a freaking grease packet. I tell you what, these guys thought of it all. They thought of it all. Looky there. Carbon fiber. Alright, well I'll have to go back through. They provided actually some grease. So that'll go in the handlebars, the seat post, pedal threads. Anywhere else I suppose I want it. This thing. Through axle. Oh, it doesn't say Budnitz on this thing. What? They missed a spot. By the way, go out and buy yourself one of these. The Leatherman Wingman. This thing is the bomb. I use it every day. Several times a day. Okay. Oh, the wheels say Budnitz. I don't think you can see this. That will do, huh? Yes. Alright, let's check it out again. Holy cow, that took me 24 minutes. This is going to be the most boring 24-minute video ever made on YouTube. Oh well. That's dopeness. That is dopeness. Alright, well, once I get it all tuned in, I'll do a more formal review. Later.